Have you ever wanted to aura farm in Spelling Bee and just rack up as many wins and correct answers as possible? I mean, I don't really care, and I'm kinda shit at the game to be honest. But in this guide, I'm gonna tell you how to do that. So you're gonna need a little something called an Android emulator. Now, my personal favorite emulator is LD Player, but you may have other preferences, so I'll just stick with my LD Player. Okay, so you'll need to head over to this website in order to download the latest and hopefully the most reliable version of LD Player, which fully supports Android 14. I'll put the link in the description. Since I've been subscribed to LD since the end of last month, I can simply just open it up and guide you through the process. Except, I have already logged in, and if you haven't installed LD Player or any other emulator before, you will need to log in. And if you have it in portrait orientation like me, you can just click the square icon in the top right to make it fit the screen. Here where it says System Apps, click on it, and you'll find the Play Store, which is where you can install Roblox and obviously various other games that you can try out. It usually doesn't take that long for Roblox to download. It's only really a couple of seconds. Okay, now that we have this account set up, we can now just open the normal Roblox app for PC and log into an alt account that is friends with the account that is signed in on the emulator. Okay, what the fuck just happened? Yeah, you know what? Let's just try that again, but with another account. God, it's such a stupid name. Home59.
Eventually.
Wow, I'm honestly shocked there's no lag whatsoever. Let's just go with randomizer. Now load up your second account.
Can you spell door? Please spell allotransplantation.
It's working
Alright,
beautifully.
try spelling
See,
abstract.
why not use LD Player and have two accounts running simultaneously in Spelling Bee?
The next word is esophagogastroduodenoscopy.
Yeah, I suck.